Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a mountain gray metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Come around, GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set all-season floor mats, full down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which gives you a blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give us Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push-start ignition. Touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLA has 4,420 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.